Airsoft. This is your Airsoft fuel manual to Airsofting. Rule number 1: stealth is everything.
Alright, lesson number 2. After you have successfully killed someone, you need, I repeat need, to have a victory dance or yelp. Like the first one, for example, as everyone knows, the Halo. And number 2, the yelp. My yelp. Oh yeah.
Dance number 3. My favorite, the football. Okay. And number 4. Oh, I love this one. It's called the worm.
Don't run into the cactus.
Yeah.
Alright, lesson number 3 in airsofting. You always need to have a good sniping position to snipe it. Because if you don't, you're not going to do very good. Now are you? Like this. It's a great sniping spot.
And just climb on up there.
And then you snipe.
Now, if you YouTubers can't see anything, it's because it's really dark out here and this thing does not have zoom. So we apologize for that. Eddie is out there. He just got shot. Thank you.
Sniper spot number 2. My personal favorite, the dresser. Oh yeah. You don't want to step on the bottom step because the dresser will fall on you. Then you're stupid. Anyway, you climb up here real quick, like. And yeah. That's how you do it.
Whoa, snap!
Hey, this is a perfect sniping spot. No one can see you, but you can see them.
Rule number 4: always get revenge kills.
Now, I'm at the respawn point.
Revenge kill.